What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jammin JD's Sports Cards. Jammin J's wife here bringing you another break today. I'm excited to be back on the channel. And today, I am excited because we have a box of 2016 Panini Clear Vision to break for you today. And I am stoked because when this came out, I absolutely loved the product. And so when I saw Jammin J got some in, I called dibs. So I'm excited to break it for you today. This is an all acetate set, which is one of the reasons why I like it so much. We get one hit per box, either a mem or an auto, we shall see. It should come with 2 parallels and 2 rookies per box. So we're looking for a Carson Wentz, we're looking for a Zeke, we're looking for a Dak Prescott. Let's jump in and see what we can get. I'm excited to see this product again. Empty box. Put our fat pack at the back there. There we go. Pack number 1. There we go. Alright, let's see what we got here. I'm going to do one card at a time thanks to this acetate set. We got Warren Moon. That's cool. Love this set, super cool. Not a lot to the back, of course. Sweet. Excited to see you again, Clear Vision. We got an Andre Johnson insert. It's numbered there, 32 of 49 it looks like. Sweet. And a Le'Veon Bell. Hope you guys are having a spectacular week so far. We got an Aaron Donald. And a Matthew Stafford, very cool. Nice parallel there. 44 of 99. And a Chris Carter. I do like the acetate look, something you don't see super duper often. Joe Green. Got an Eli Apple, numbered there, 279 of 999. Rookie card. Nice insert. And an Andrew Luck. On to the next. Open it like a bag of chips. Seinfeld episode for you right there. Kirk Cousins. On his way to the Vikings, I believe. That should be interesting. Charles Haley. 24 of 29, nice short print there. And Demaryius Thomas. It's been crazy watching free agency these last couple days. I can't believe some of the places people have ended up or that have been traded. I was not expecting to hear names like Danny Amendola leaving the Patriots. Jordy Nelson. It's the end of an era, I tell ya. Oh boy, I think we got our hit in this one. But first, Richard Sherman, speaking of free agency, off to the 49ers. It'll be fun watching him face them next season, his previous team that is, Jay Cutler. And our hit. Kevin White. Clear change, 12 of 99. You got a little bit of color there. At least it's not white, I suppose. But, you know, not the most exciting. But still, I think last time we broke this, we got an auto, so it's cool to see a mem. And our final pack, which I thought I'd saved our hit for, but that's alright. Alright. Carlos Hyde. Cody Kessler. 781 of 999 rookie card. And last but not least, Larry Fitzgerald. So, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this break of Clear Vision. We got more retro style breaks. Semi-retro, right? Not super retro. Coming for you soon. Excited to see you guys again in the future. Hit us up on jamminjdcards.com. We're on Twitter, we're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're all over the place. So look us up, interact with us online, and we will catch you guys in the next video.